So here in Tinkercad I have a house alarm system using an Arduino, LEDs, push buttons and a switch. As you see in my code I have my pins defined from 0 to 5. I have my phone set up with my pins. The LEDs are outputs while the push button and switch are input colors. I have my 5 loops set up, but before I start talking about that, I want to talk about my 5 on, off, and alarm. So when it's void on, the green LED will be high and the red LED will be low, so the green will be on. This means the system is on and activated. When it's in off, the red LED will be on and green LED will be off. This means the system will be off, even though there will be power coming from the Arduino. The system itself won't be activated even if I push any of these buttons down. For my alarm, if the system is on and any of these buttons are pressed down, the white LED will be flashing on and off. So using if statement, if function by here, if the switch is low, meaning off, the system be on. If the switch is high, the system be off. But if any of the buttons are pressed, each job further will increase. So it'd be better if I just demonstrate it right now. So at the moment the system is on, power's going through it. So it's this if statement right here. If I go to switch it off, relay will be on. So it'd be this if statement right here. Even if I press down any of the buttons, the white LED won't come on because the system is off. It's on now, so if I hold down the main door, white LED will be flashing. And this statement right here will be true. So the whole concept of this is, I'll just reset it. So you're in your house about to leave, you have everything to go. The main door's open at the moment, so it will put up. You turn the alarm system on and you shut the door. The system is activated. As you leave, all of a sudden a burglar breaks into the window while the system is on. The white LED starts flashing and the siren will come off the alarm and the guards will be called. If you forgot to turn it on and somebody tries to break in, this white LED won't come on and the guards won't be called or signs will be come off because you forgot to turn it on the system. And that's the house alarm version 1.